I have the best advice for women who want to truly capture the heart of their husbands. It's not just about being loving or supportive in a general sense. What I'm about to share goes deeper, to the very core of what keeps a man connected to a woman, emotionally, spiritually, and even physically. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, says in the Quran, "And among His signs is this, that He created for you mates from among yourselves, that you may dwell in tranquility with them, and He has put love and mercy between your hearts." Surah Ar-Rum 30:21. This beautiful verse highlights the essence of a successful relationship: love, mercy, and tranquility. But these aren't just abstract concepts. They are the foundations for a marriage that flourishes over time. What I found, and what many women may overlook, is that a man desires to feel emotionally secure with his wife. He longs for a partner who sees him fully, accepts him as he is, and offers a safe space for vulnerability. When a man feels this level of safety, it opens the door to a deeper emotional bond that goes beyond mere physical attraction or everyday affection. He wants to feel respected, understood, and valued, not just in moments of joy, but especially in times of difficulty. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, beautifully demonstrated this in his marriage to Khadija. May Allah be pleased with her. She wasn't just a wife, she was his confidant, his rock. When he was unsure and troubled, it was Khadija who comforted him, reassured him, and reminded him of his worth. This emotional support was a key factor in strengthening their relationship. It wasn't just about providing physical care, but offering emotional security, creating a bond that transcended worldly matters. To capture the heart of your husband, it's essential to go beyond just loving him outwardly. It's about making him feel safe enough to share his fears, dreams, and struggles. This is what the Quran refers to when it speaks of love and mercy between your hearts. Love is not just in the physical acts of service or affection, but in the way you create a sanctuary for his emotions, where he knows he is appreciated and accepted without judgment. Respect is also crucial. A man thrives when he feels respected by his wife. This doesn't mean blind submission, but showing him that you honor his role, his efforts, and his journey, just as he should honor yours. Respect, in many ways, is the silent language of love, and when a man feels respected, his love for you deepens naturally. Let's not forget the spiritual aspect of marriage. A marriage grounded in faith is one that seeks the pleasure of Allah above all else. Remember the Prophet's, peace be upon him, words: "The best of you are those who are best to their wives." When both partners strive to be their best for one another, with Allah at the center, the relationship flourishes in ways that are truly miraculous. Being a supportive wife means more than just tending to physical or emotional needs. It means creating a space where your husband feels truly understood, appreciated, and cherished. It's about being a partner in the truest sense, someone who stands beside him in good times and bad, who loves him for who he is and who he aspires to be. If you can cultivate this depth of connection, you'll unlock a bond that stands the test of time and draws you closer, not just to each other, but to Allah. In doing so, you fulfill the wisdom of Allah's design in marriage. It becomes not just a relationship of convenience or affection, but a source of profound emotional, spiritual, and even physical satisfaction. That is the true secret to capturing a man's heart and sustaining love over a lifetime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into Islamic history and lifestyle.